Welcome to 20 Car. The future of Corvette is here. Meet the 2026 Corvette Zora, the first ever hybrid, all-wheel drive Corvette with a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower. This beast is set to redefine American supercars, and today, we're diving deep into its specs, features, and expected price. The 2026 Corvette Zora takes performance to the next level. It builds on the already insane C8 Z06 and E-Ray but adds twin turbochargers to the 5.5L flat-plane crank V8. And that's not all, it also gets a front-mounted electric motor for even more power and instant torque. The result? Over 1,000 horsepower combined, making the Zora the most powerful Corvette ever made. It's also expected to have all-wheel drive, ensuring mind-blowing acceleration and grip. How fast will it be? Based on early reports, the 2026 Corvette Zora could do 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. That puts it right next to hypercars like the Bugatti Chiron and Tesla Roadster. Its top speed is expected to exceed 220 miles per hour, making it the ultimate street-legal track weapon. And with a dual-clutch transmission, gear shifts will be lightning quick. The Zora will take Corvette styling to an extreme level. Expect massive air intakes, an aggressive stance, and a lightweight carbon fiber body. The aerodynamics will be tuned for maximum downforce, helping it stick to the road at high speeds. And of course, Zora badging will set it apart from other Corvettes, paying tribute to Zora Arkastuntov, the man who dreamed of a mid-engine Corvette decades ago. Inside, the Zora will feel like a fighter jet on wheels. Expect a fully digital driver display, performance telemetry, and a race-inspired steering wheel. Carbon fiber and Alcantara will dominate the cabin, keeping it lightweight yet premium. Chevrolet is also expected to include advanced driver assistance features, making this hypercar not just insanely fast, but also practical for everyday driving. Now, the big question: how much will the 2026 Corvette Zora cost? Experts predict a starting price of around $200,000, making it the most expensive Corvette ever. However, when you compare it to McLarens, Ferraris, and even Bugattis, the Zora offers hypercar performance at a fraction of the price. Production is expected to start in late 2025, with deliveries beginning in early 2026. Chevy hasn't officially confirmed the date, but all signs point to this timeline. The 2026 Corvette Zora isn't just another Corvette, it's a revolution. With 1,000 horsepower, hybrid tech, AWD, and insane speed, it will shake up the supercar world. What do you think about the new Zora? Is it the ultimate Corvette ever made? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more epic car content. See you in the next video.